Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I know I look a bit different today as I kept my hair open. As the title reads, this is a hair care video, so I thought of keeping my hair open and show you guys how do I have pretty long hair. So I'm going to share with you how do I keep my pretty long hairs thick, growing and shiny, and also a few tips on how to keep your hair frizz-free and split ends free. One of the remedy I use to keep my hair thick, growing and healthy is by applying a henna. So without a further dive, let's dive into the video. How I make the henna paste for my long shiny hair. So here I have taken the henna powder. I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of henna powder. According to the quantity you need for your hair, you take the henna powder. I used Himalayan henna because it has the few ingredients which are very good for your skin and for your hair. So here are the ingredients. Then I have taken 3 tablespoons of amla powder. I have used double amla powder and I prefer this is the best one. If you want, you can use any other amla powder available in the market. Then I have taken 2 eggs and I have boiled 1 beetroot and tea leaves and extracted the juice. Now, always use a fork for mixing. So, mix the henna powder. I have taken 3 tablespoons of henna powder. Mix it properly. So now mix the eggs. Mix it properly. As you can see, I have mixed the egg properly with the henna powder. Now I will slowly pour this juice into the henna powder. Take a few quantity, then mix it properly. And after applying the henna, wash it off with cold water. Do not apply shampoo. Wash it with normal cold water and dry it under the fan. Then apply at night, apply hot oil or massage with hot oil just to condition your hair. Sometimes henna makes your hair more dry, so avoid drying, and for avoid drying you can use hair oil, hot oil hair massage. So here my henna paste is ready. So do always remember, you need to make the paste in such a way that there is no lumps into it, and always make the henna paste before 10 to 12 hours before applying on your hair. So if you like my video, do subscribe on my channel and more such videos are coming.